beautiful kings and queens, it's your girl Queen C, and I'm back with another episode. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Ciara Spooner, aka Queen C, and today, if you guys can see by the title, we are going to be organizing, like extreme organizing here. I am OCD at times, or most times, like every time, but today we're going to be organizing some spices. We're going to be organizing my cabinets in the bathroom, as well as a wardrobe closet. So today we are going to get stuff done, okay? Point blank, period. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Why? Because it's Ciara Spooner. Should subscribe sooner. Make sure you like and comment down below, and without further ado, let's just get right into the thing. We're gonna start off with my seasonings. I don't have a lot. My family member brought me these seasoning containers where you can like label them, and then we're gonna put them in these containers with like the bamboo top. These are adorable. So the spice labels that I picked comes with 3 different variety of labels. So you can have this one with the white background, which I'm gonna be using this one because I think it just looks the prettiest, I guess. I don't know. Brown with the white lettering. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. And then you have the one that goes on top of the lid, and they also give you a sheet of paper that says like where the name of the seasonings are. So that was really cool. It's like alphabetized, organized, and whatnot, so that's cool. I'm not gonna go in no particular order. Whatever spices I see that I know I have, I'm just gonna do it. So on this page they have garlic powder, garlic salt, Italian seasoning, lemon pepper, mustard. So I'm going to be using those first. So the package came with this, so it's easier to put the seasonings inside. I'm going to put the link to the items that I used today that I can in the description box. So I'm definitely going to put the link to the seasoning labels and stuff. But I'm just going to wash this really quickly. Yeah. I'm debating if I should put the labels before and then put the seasoning, or put the seasoning and then put the label. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I'm just scared to like peel and stick it because I want it to be perfect and I don't want it to like be crooked or anything. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to put the labels on this first and then I'm gonna fill it. I feel like that just makes more sense. So yeah. She's so cute. She's cute. Like this is I can't wait till it's all done and I can put it in the cabinet because it's gonna be so cute. I don't know why I'm obsessed. It's going crazy over here. Majority of the seasonings are done. As you can see, this is a huge mess. I did this about 5 times. Majority of the seasonings are still like, I still have some in the original containers, so I'm just gonna put it all the way at the top of the cabinet so like it's hidden and put away. But there was some seasonings that the labels did not have. For example, complete seasoning, Creole seasoning. I have 2 types of Creole seasoning, the Slap Your Mama and the this one, Tony's. And they didn't have oxtail seasoning. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of all of the seasonings that I have, they didn't have 4 of the labels, which is fine. I can just like put these to the side or whatever the case might be. Plus I don't think the organizer is gonna hold all of them anyways. So this is what I'm gonna be putting the seasonings on. I'm gonna put the ones I use the most in the front, the ones I use least in the back, and then with other seasonings that are in the containers, like the Italian seasonings, I'll just put next to it. And then at the top is going to be, like I said, the ones that are in the containers that like if it needs to be refilled or something.
Yeah. Here we go like yeah. Here we go like yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah. Yeah.
So this is how the cabinet is looking. Isn't it cute? The seasonings that didn't have a label off to the side, it was only 4 of them, and I actually have 3 containers left from the pack. It came with 24, so I only used 21 and I have 3 left. I could use the labels with no names and I could just write it, but I don't want to because it's fine. It's only just 4 of them. I had to extend the organizer just a little bit so one can fit on each row. But isn't it so cute? Now we're gonna move over to this little section over here. I just have to refill. I'm gonna put the black pepper in this container because I have the salt in this one, and then I just have to refill the brown sugar, the rice. I don't have any more noodles, so sadly we're just gonna leave this like this. So I realized that I use a lot. I use about like 2.5 cups when I make rice. So this only holds like about 3 cups of rice. So I'm like, I might as well just put it in a bigger container. And then I'm going to I can replace it with flour. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna switch it out, put the rice in the taller container. These came with like stuff, like the labels that you can write on, but I feel like it's unnecessary. I don't think I'm gonna put labels on any of these. I know what they are, plus I want it to look more like sleek and clean, so I think the labels are just gonna be unnecessary. So let's go put some. I'm gonna wash this first. I finished putting them in their containers. I was debating whether I should put the salt on top of the brown sugar because I'm like, I don't want people to think that these are the same things, and they're not. But I kind of like it this way because of the contrast, like between the colors. Yeah, it's just a visual thing. I know it doesn't matter, but now that the kitchen is basically done, we are going to be moving on to the bathroom. So this is what we're going to be organizing today. The bathroom, as you can see, it is a hot mess. I got a cabinet from IKEA, so we are going to be, well, I'm going to be organizing it in this cabinet that I got because this is atrocious. So that's what we're doing next. Honestly, I don't even know how I'm going to organize this. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna just, I don't know, because it's just a mess. Like, it's literally just a mess. I figured to fold the towels up and put them in the longest part of the cabinet. And then I also want to put these stuff in there as well. Or I mean, I'm not gonna completely empty out this whole thing. I can obviously still use underneath here. It just definitely has to be organized. So maybe I'll leave like this stuff in there, but we'll see. We'll see. So I really have a bag full of random makeup items because I'm supposed to be teaching myself how to do makeup, but it hasn't happened yet. And I just have this bag of almost finished makeup items that I had took from my friend who's a makeup artist, and at this point I don't even know where to put it. This is what it's looking like so far. Candles up there. We got the hand soap, body wash and lotion in there. This is my hair products. This is, like I said, razors, like face mask, stuff in my face. We've got some contact stuff over there, my pads, whatever. And then we have the towels, and then the weight measurement thing. That's easy to come out, so I don't have a problem with that being in there, because it's not like we're measuring ourselves every single day. So this is what it's looking like. This is what the bottom is looking like. Took out majority of the stuff. I'm just gonna try to organize these things as best as possible. I left these things in here because these are stuff that I use every single day or every other day or whatever the case might be, so I didn't want to put them in there, so I have to go in there every day. So I'm gonna leave these in here. Definitely going to order some bins, like stuff like this, to put underneath here. I left my dog stuff underneath here for Frosty, and then I'm also gonna leave the toilet stuff underneath here too. So I'm just gonna clean this up a bit, and then I'm basically done. I'm gonna put this stuff in there as well. Ready, set. So this is how the bottom is looking. I have my dog supplies over here, so like his wipes, his shampoo, his brush and stuff like that. And then in the back I have the first aid kit and the peroxide. And then over here is my hair stuff that I use basically every single day, and also this is a facial spray that I use every day as well. I do need to get some organizers so I can organize like my combs and like my hair ties and stuff like that. I don't know, I don't like that bin that much, so definitely going to get some type of organizer so I can put these somewhere as well. But we have the floss picks, the cotton balls, and then I'll just get like the Q-tips and stuff later. But behind that is like random stuff like the makeup bag, and then I have like this travel kit for when I do travel. I have my, like, you know, my toiletries in there. We obviously need more paper towel, but I just put that there because that's just what we have as of now. Definitely when we get more, that's where it's gonna be. And then in the back of that is random bathroom stuff. I'm not mad. Definitely gonna buy some organizers though for it to look a little better, but for the most part it's definitely organized and clean and looks way better than before. So now that I got the bathroom out of the way, oh gosh, it's been like 3-4 hours. Probably dragged it, but I am exhausted and I'm starving. But we just have one more thing to organize, which is the wardrobe closet. Last thing, and then I can go and eat and make me something because I'm starving. So let me just show you guys the wardrobe. For the most part, it's organized. I'm just putting 2 baskets in here. So I'm putting 2 baskets underneath this shelf so that the bottom doesn't look like this. And I also have a place to put my bags. So we're just gonna change this around a bit. We put the bar all the way up at the top, and then we move this up. So we're gonna put these baskets on the bottom over here. That's gonna be a bit of a process because I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing. We're gonna get it done. IKEA always has instructions, so to get another basket, I could, but there's no reason for it right now. So what's going in the basket is actually my bags, which I don't even think I told you guys that. But this is my bag, not the wee bags. This is my bags right here because there is absolutely no space in my closet for that, and I don't know where to put them. So I'm like, why don't I just put them in the wardrobe closet? And I seen this like design in IKEA, and that's what we're gonna do. So, but first I'm gonna put everything back in here, and then we're going to put the stuff that belongs in here in there. So let me just put the stuff back. I'm a genius. I put the dog food and then the bags on top of it. I have to get a clip so I can like clip it. It's not gonna fall out, but just in case, I just want to get a clip so I can clip it. But for right now, it's good. I can still put more shoes down here, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for now because it looks really clean. So these are my bags I'm gonna be putting in there. I don't know if I'm gonna put the big bags. I mean, I should, because it could fit, and like where else is it gonna go? But it's like bags like this, like it don't need to go in there. Let's see if this is all gonna fit because I have no idea. I think I'm gonna start with the big ones that can fit first. I love this bag. It's a Tory Burch bag. I got it when I was in high school and I bought it off of Poshmark. I don't want to get rid of it, but I do not use it. So I don't know what to do with it, but I'm definitely just gonna put it in there because I don't know, maybe one day I want to wear it. I have no idea. Ooh, I should bring it on vacation with me actually. So yeah, this is gonna go in there. But stuff like this I use when I'm going to the airport, or I'm carrying like my computer somewhere. So I don't really use these bags. So I'm gonna see if I can condense them either like in one or what. We can just organize the bags, and this is how we are looking. Can it focus? Okay, so I have my bigger bags over here towards the back, and then I have like my small wallets, smaller bags over here, and then I have like my what is it called again, like my bags that are in like dust bags over there, so they are protected away from the dust and all of that stuff. Can this like, yeah, so it looks, I mean, you can't tell unless like you pull it out, but the closet looks organized. I love it. Great job done. I can say that for myself. Also, I put my like weekender bags or like my go away bags like right here because it's like book bags and like other stuff that I told you guys I was gonna stuff in one bag in there, and it was not gonna go in there. It's gonna be too stuffy. But that's it. We are done. But we're not just done with this. We are done organizing for the day. I'm tired and hungry, but we got it done. We got the organization. I did. I keep saying we, like you guys helped me, but whatever. Now that I am done, that is the end of today's video. I did get a lot of stuff done, like all the things I can think of that needed to be like organized or rearranged, I believe I got done. If it's something else, it's probably something small, but I got a good amount of stuff done. They're organized, they look good. So proud of myself. Give myself a pat on the back. But if you guys have any suggestions for things that I can use, like especially for underneath the bathroom, the cabinet, for like organization, please comment down below. Also, if you guys have any questions about things that you may know where I would get them from, I will put as much links in the description box as I can. But if you guys have any questions, make sure you comment down below, make sure you like, and make sure you subscribe. Why? Because it's the average spooner. Should subscribe sooner, and I'll see you guys in my next episode.